I still miss you.
Oh, I haven't heard your voice.
Even though we're far apart, my heart still calls your name. The night is so quiet, I can't fall asleep, thinking of your laughter echoing in me. This bed feels so cold without you here. Every single moment I just want you near.
I feel the same, I still miss you so much.
I look at the same sky, wondering if you see it too. That moon up above feels like me and you.
I whisper your name deep inside my heart,
but there's no reply, just tears falling apart.
I'm still waiting every single day.
Do you still miss me?
Do you still wait for me?
Even if we're apart,
My heart still belongs to you.
I miss you the most, every moment, day and night. I can't let you go.
Everywhere I go, you're still there. Even if you're gone, I still love you. I miss you the most, more than words can say. My heart keeps breaking without you here. If one day we meet again, I won't let you go. Not again.
I walk the old road we used to take.
I still remember every smile we made.
Everything's still here, but you're gone now,
Leaving me alone with memories somehow.
if we never fell apart,
Would we still be the same?
I still love you.
Even